Today, we will do a different kind of video. We will focus on the biggest missing piece in your trading life. The only obstacle preventing you from being consistent and profitable. At the end of this video, you will probably enlighten and take a big step in your day trading and scalping career. If you are good to go, let's do this. First of all, let me ask you a question. What kind of strategy do you trade? Are you an indicator trader like VWAP, RSI, Mete? If they make your life easier, use them. Or are you a smart money trader with the ICT SMC concepts like order blocks, liquidity, or imbalances? Maybe you are a full price action trader only, using trends, support and resistance, or even candlestick formations. You can also be an old school chart pattern trader like wedge pattern or head and shoulder pattern. Or you are a full volume based trader using footprints and volume bars together. Who knows, you can be any of these traders. Imagine that you solve your setup based on your strategy. Your strategy can be anything: indicators, smart money, chart patterns, volume trading, it does not matter. The moment you enter a trade, there is no more strategy, there is no more edge, and there is no more prediction. Only God knows if you will stop out or not. And only God knows if you will hit the profit target or not. You must accept this hard truth and reality. No one can see the future. So, what does an average trader do? Imagine you're a trader with 5 years of experience. This is what traders keep doing all the time. Jumping one strategy to another strategy every single week. Trading SMC this week, imbalance and liquidity, and the next week start using RSI, and the other week maybe using volume bars, and the next week start using the trends again. Every single week, a new strategy. But what happens in real life? As a person who used every single concept and trading methods out there, I will tell you what really happens in the real life. You are in your first week. An indicator, it can be anything, works perfectly. SMC does not work. Maybe using a wedge chart pattern, it works amazingly this week. Trend works great this week, but volume is not working at all. But look at the second week. The whole table changes. The strategies worked great last week, not working anymore this week. And the horrible strategies from the last week just started to work amazing this week. And this kept going on and on and on every single week. So what is the reality here? Actually, no strategy is better than others. Only God knows which strategy will work better or worse this week. One more time, we have no idea what will happen in the future. Then you are thinking, the biggest question in the world. Why the hell do we even need a strategy then? My answer is actually really simple. Routine and repetitiveness. By doing the same thing over and over and over, you gain a statistical advantage and a reliable data set. And the same routine makes you find setups easier and quicker. Which one easier? Looking for the same setup every single day, or a different kind of setup every single day? Just think about that. Then what is this golden holy grail, the secret that traders kept searching for years and years and years? It is accepting this simple truth and reality. In trading, 99% of the things are out of your control. The market may go up or down any minute. The only thing we can control is actually our risk, the amount that we can lose in a trade. The holy grail that you have been seeking for all your life is here. Never lose very big. Once you lose a very big amount, putting that amount back on the table almost impossible. Learn to take a loss and move on. Let's simulate 10 trades with a 2-to-1 ratio. Basically, we will risk $100 to make $200. So the question is, how can we lose small and dynamically manage our trades? Let's focus on this question. Imagine you saw your setup based on your strategy. Your strategy can be anything. An indicator trading, smart money, chart patterns, volume trading, it does not matter. Whatever you wish for. I entered the trade, and the price went against me instantly. A quick and a sudden loss. This happens to any trader out there. So our first trade is a $100 loss. Again, entering a second trade. This time price moves in my favor. I am tightening my stop loss by moving stop loss upwards, limiting my possible loss this time. Whoa, what happened? Another sudden loss, but this time, as you can see, a partial loss, not a full loss. I am down another $50 at this point. Third trade. This time the price moves in my favor quickly, moving my stop loss to break even. And finally, a nice 2-hour gain, banking $200 this time. Moving to my fourth trade. Just like the previous trade, the trade is going well again, moving my stop loss to break even, making a no-risk trade. Whoa, what happened? A sudden break even. Nothing I can do here. Now the fifth trade. Nice, the trade is really going well. It gives a cushion to trail. Okay, going awesome here, I like it. I am about to bank 2R, 200 trade one more time. Oh god, it just crashed again. I just banked like $50 or something this time. Better than nothing. Now in the next trade. This time the price moves in my favor. I'm tightening my stop loss by moving the stop loss upwards, limiting my possible losses again. Oh man, what happened? Another sudden loss. But this time again a partial loss, not a full loss. I am down another $50 at this point. And the next trade. Nice, this trade is going really well one more time. It gives my cushion to trail. I am at zero risk at this point. Oh god, I hate trading. Another sudden crash ate my most profits here. And the next trade. This time I'm sure that I will bank $200 and grow the account. Nicely entered trade. What is this? Biggest wig in the world stopped me instantly. Man, trading is really hard, nothing easy at all. And entering the next trade. This time the price moves in my favor. I'm tightening my stop loss by moving upwards. Oh god, after many trades and partial losses, finally a full win. I thought I was never going to get a full win again. And another trade. Nice entry. Come on. I need a full win again. Please God, please. Moving my stop loss to break even. And this another big wig, another break even. So, what happened here? Let's discuss and learn. We took 10 trades. No great performance at all, as you can see. After 10 trades, we only made $200 and collected 2R in total. So many losses, so many break-evens, and mostly partial wins. Now, this is a real experience of real traders out there. This is the reality of trading. Rule number 1. What did we do? As you notice, we did not get rich here. But we learned something here. We learned to protect our account no matter what. Rule number 2. We kept our losses minimal as much as possible. We never lost very big numbers. And we made some profits as much as we can. Rule number 3. We dynamically manage the open positions due to the changing trading environment conditions. So what happens if you do this 100 times with a probably $100,000 real or funded account? What you will experience? You will gain the statistical edge of being profitable. You will notice slow but steady growth with a compounding effect over time. So, your takeaway from this video, in reality, there is no 99% winning strategy. If there was a one, Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos will be working for me today. All you need to do is put your efforts into mastering the risk management and actively managing your open trades. Okay folks, such an amazing video in my opinion. We have learned so much and discussed almost every aspect of trading. Take care for now and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you